Hi, this is Edith, Instructional Innovation Trainer at Klamath Community College. And in this video, I'm going to show you around Microsoft Office 365 and how to download the Microsoft Office 2016 desktop version. Each student has 5 copies of Microsoft Office 365 that they can download. This includes downloading Microsoft applications such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint to your smart devices, or the full version onto your laptop or desktop. Your license for Microsoft Office is good for 2 years after leaving Klamath Community College. To get to your Office 365 account, click on My KCC. Click on that link. You will be brought to the sign-in page. Enter your student ID number at students.klamathcc.edu. Click Next and enter your password. The password is the same as you use to enter MyKCC and Canvas. Click Sign In. You will be directed to your Microsoft Office 365 dashboard. On the right-hand side, click on the Install Office button. Click on Other Install Options. I will go over the Office 365 apps later in this video. Click on the Install button. Your program will begin to download. Follow the directions that you will get prompts for. Once the program has finished downloading, you will be able to use the desktop version of Microsoft 2016. If you want to download Microsoft apps to your smart device, you can stay here and click on Phone and Tablet. Select your type of device and click Get App. Scroll down and select the app that you want to download, and you will be redirected to the store that is appropriate for your device. Or you can visit the store on your mobile device and download the program that way. If you want to work with Microsoft Office programs online, select the program that you want to work in. Be advised that when using these programs, they are light versions of the program, so you will not have access to all the features that are available in the desktop version. If you want to edit in the desktop version after accessing the file online, click on Open In, and that will open the associated program. Click on Open, and your desktop version will be opened. What happens if you have a Chromebook? You can use Office 365 online, but again, it will be the light version of the program. If you are on campus, you can save your documents in your OneDrive folder. See the student resource video for OneDrive, and access the desktop version of the program on the many computers available on campus. The LRC has a great computer lab. However, if you prefer to use Google Docs for your papers, please see the student resource video on how to download a Google document as a MS Word document. If you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, please contact the Center for Teaching and Learning at 541-880-2374 or email us at ctl@klamathcc.edu.